Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Hyundai i10. So, ignition's on, you've got phone here, menu, and you've got setup. You don't go into phone, you go into setup, but it says setup clock. So you assume setup is going to do the clock. Anyway, you click on it, and then you've got display, sound, clock, phone, system. So turn this dial to, you get to phone, click the dial, then you've got return, pair phone, phone list. So we turn it down to phone list. There's an arrow going that way. If I click on that, you've then got return Barry's iPhone, another phone. We want Barry's iPhone there. Again, an arrow pointing that way. Click on that. And then you've got connect, prior, delete, and return. So we click on delete. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro deleted. OK. That's it gone. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Hyundai i10. First of all, we go to settings there, then we go to Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom there, over to the audio system, we click on phone, add a new Bluetooth. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's saying add a new Bluetooth device. There's the device key. i10's already come up. Click on i10. It's thinking about it. When it comes up, we're going to have to put 4 noughts in, which is the passkey. It shows there. Nought, 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 nought. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. As soon as you see that come up, you know it's paired. So that's it. And if we go to the top, is it at the top? Where's it gone? I've got that many things. i10 connected. So you know it's connected. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music in this 2016 Hyundai i10. Radio's on, we go to our music, click on the music, Rolling Stones, As Tears Go By, you'll see there at the bottom, i10. If I click on that, you'll see a tick next to it. If the tick was next to iPhone, it would play through your iPhone speaker. It's next to i10. That means any audio, whether it be Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, or the soundtrack of a YouTube video, whatever, any audio that's playing on your phone will come through here if you've got it set up properly. So we'll go back to that, we'll click play, then over here we go to media, click on media. Now that's it. It's gone straight onto my phone there, but if we had other things plugged in like in auxiliary or USB, you would be able to change it. It'll show source, and then you'd be able to change it, scroll through which you want, but you'd obviously want Bluetooth. That's it. That's how you do it. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.